to our channel. Today we are covering SC-300 Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Today's questions are: you have an Azure Active Directory tenant that contains the users shown in the following table. Please go through the table. The tenant has the authentication method shown in the following table. Please go through the table. Which users will sign into cloud apps by matching a number shown in the app with a number shown on their phone? Option A, user 1 only. Option B, user 2 only. Option C, user 3 only. Option D, user 1 and user 2 only. And option E, user 2 and user 3 only. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: you have an Azure Active Directory tenant that contains a user named user1 and the conditional access policy is shown in the. Please go through the table. You need to evaluate which policies will be applied to user1 when user1 attempts to sign in from various IP addresses. Which features should you use? Option A, access review. Option B, identity secure score. Option C, the what if tool. And option D, the Microsoft 365 network connectivity test tool. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: you have a Microsoft 365 tenant. All users have mobile phones and Windows 10 laptops. The users frequently work from remote locations that don't have Wi-Fi access or mobile phone connectivity. While working from the remote locations, the users connect their laptops to a wired network that has internet access. You plan to implement multi-factor authentication. Which MFA authentication method can the users use from the remote location? Option A, an app password. Option B, voice. Option C, Windows Hello for Business. And option D, security questions. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: you create a conditional access policy that blocks access when a user triggers a high severity sign-in alert. You need to test the policy under the following conditions. A user signs in from another country. A user triggers a sign-in risk. What should you use to complete the test? Option A, the conditional access what if tool. Option B, sign in logs in Azure Active Directory. Option C, the activity logs in Microsoft Defender for cloud apps. And option D, access reviews in Azure Active Directory. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: you have an Azure Active Directory tenant that contains the users shown in the following table. Please go through the table. Name, location 1, mark as trusted location. Enabled IPv4 range 10.10.0.0/16. MFA has a trusted IP address range of 193.17.17.0/24. Name CA policy word. Assignments: user or workload identities group 1, cloud apps or actions, all cloud apps. Conditions: locations, all trusted location. Access control: grant access require multi-factor authentication. Session: zero control selected. Enable policy on. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. Please go through this statement. The correct answer is, if user 1 connects to the tenant from IP address 10.10.0.150, the user will be prompted for MFA? No. If user 2 connects to the tenant from IP address 10.10.1.160, the user will be prompted for MFA? No. If user 2 connects to the tenant from IP address 192.168.1.20, the user will be prompted for MFA? Yes. Thank you.